Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I want to talk to you about my 4 key summer essentials. So in the summertime, my skin has very particular needs, and there's certain things that I always ensure that my skin has so that it looks its best and actually has a lot of the protection that it needs. So first and foremost, a summer essential for me is always sunscreen. So I like using sunscreen that is a zinc oxide based sunscreen. That's really important to protect my skin against UV damage. So I use my sunscreen daytime, in the afternoon, even evenings when we go out, just so that my skin is covered, okay? And I always put my sunscreen on after my skincare routine and before makeup, right? So that's where the sunscreen goes. Another summer essential that I absolutely love is the vitamin C and Ferulic antioxidant. I use this in the daytime. I love the vitamin C 15%. Again, vitamin C protecting the skin against the sun damage, really protecting against free radical damage and supporting that collagen production and brightening. Another summer essential for me is the microdosing with the retinol. I love using at nighttime my retinoids with my azelaic acid and my niacinamide. That blend is magic. That is renewing, it's rejuvenating, it's protecting, it does a lot of really good for my skin. That's a lot of elements in there. That's really part of the anti-aging part for me. It's also really part of the boosting the radiance, and then on top of that with the retinol, love my other most favorite antioxidant, which is the glutathione, the Glutathiosome with the dermal communication. So at nighttime, when I want to get into that work for my summer essentials, it's going to be my glutathione and my retinol. Daytime is my vitamin C and my sunscreen. Summertime, your skin can be exposed to a lot of UV, and that can create a lot of damage. So it's important to protect yourself and to use the right ingredients and to use the right technology and to use sunscreen. I hope you enjoyed this. I really look forward to you sharing your summer essentials with me, and really truly have a great summer and practice safe sun.